Welcome back to Spy Garage.
The upcoming 2026 Integra Luxury Motorhome promises an unmatched blend of elegant design, cutting-edge technology integration, and unwavering comfort, marking a substantial advancement in the market for luxury recreational vehicles. It is anticipated that this upcoming model would seamlessly combine luxurious residential living with the dynamic possibilities of a mobile platform, appealing to discriminating tourists who require both exquisite design and outstanding functionality. It is anticipated that the 2026 Integra Luxury Motorhome's appearance will exhibit a tasteful fusion of majestic grandeur with aerodynamic efficiency. Its profile will probably be defined by sleek, sculpted lines, enhanced by high-end materials and finishes that convey a feeling of subtle luxury. Large panoramic windows are expected to provide residents with engrossing views of the surroundings, and well-placed accent lighting will improve the building's aesthetic appeal day and night. A dedication to both style and functionality will be demonstrated by the skillfully integrated utility connections and external storage compartments. The interior of the 2026 Integra Luxury Motorhome is intended to be a haven of comfort and cutting-edge technology. The living areas will probably include well-designed interiors with custom cabinetry made from exotic hardwoods, premium flooring options, and furniture of the highest caliber seen in homes. It is expected that an open concept plan will optimize the feeling of space and create an atmosphere that encourages social contact as well as rest. Modern climate control systems, fully integrated smart home technologies, and cutting-edge entertainment systems will all add to the unmatched degree of ease and customized comfort. The 2026 Integra Luxury Motorhome's kitchen area is expected to be a showcase for upscale traveling living. The most discriminating foodies will be satisfied by a gourmet kitchen furnished with solid surface worktops, professional-grade stainless steel appliances, and plenty of storage options. With well-chosen lighting and cozy seating arrangements, the dining area will probably be designed to provide a sophisticated environment for eating. It is anticipated that the sleeping areas of the 2026 Integra Luxury Motorhome would offer a peaceful and opulent haven. Luxurious bedding, well-thought-out wardrobes, and built-in entertainment systems will all help create a peaceful and private space. Spa-inspired bathrooms with premium fixtures, sophisticated finishes, and lots of space will further improve the motorhome's homey atmosphere. A sturdy and cutting-edge chassis designed to provide a secure and comfortable ride will support this opulent living area. Modern driver assistance technologies, user-friendly navigation, and extensive safety measures will put the driver's health and convenience first. The incorporation of sustainable energy solutions, such high-capacity battery banks and sophisticated solar power systems, may also be a crucial component, indicating an increasing focus on environmental awareness in the luxury travel industry. To sum up, the 2026 Integra Luxury Motorhome has the potential to completely alter the norms around upscale leisure travel. For individuals looking for the utmost in luxury and freedom on the road, this upcoming model is anticipated to provide an absolutely remarkable mobile living experience by skillfully fusing advanced design, state-of-the-art technology, and unmatched comfort.